Welcome to our neat candy cane travel pillow instructional video. Open the pouch and fetch your travel pillow. Spread out the travel pillow with the white markings on top. Super important to make sure there are no folds or knots as you inflate. Make sure the air intake is open and free. Squeeze the sides of the flat intake to make a large opening to blow into. Be about 5 inches or 1 palm length away from the pillow and blow. Pretend you're blowing out the candles on a birthday cake. Then close the pillow opening flat and roll till you reach the last line. Note the pillow doesn't need to be fully inflated when you blow into it. The more you roll up, the more the pillow will get firm. Then stop and buckle up the end tight. Now you're almost there. Just place the pillow on your neck, pull over the red band like so, and presto! Get some much needed sleep. Want to fold it up? Just open up the buckle, unroll the pillow and deflate it. Then roll it back up and place it in its pouch. Have a great flight or bus ride and safe travels wherever life takes you.